So let's introduce here a pattern for factoring binomials called sum of two cubes. From the term itself, so this pattern consists of two terms that are both perfect cubes. So let's just name them x cubed and y cubed. And then the two are added up. Okay. So if you see a binomial wherein two perfect cubes are added up, okay, we can factor it this way. X plus y is equal to x squared minus xy plus y squared. Okay, we can pattern it that way. So let's have an example. So say for example, I have 27 plus 8m cubed. Okay, I want to factor 27 plus 8m cubed. So now, I would like to see if I can use the sum of two cubes. So if this binomial follow the pattern of sum of two cubes. So it's a plus, so that's checked. So all we need to do is to see if 27 and 8m cubes are perfect cubes. Okay? So they are perfect cubes if we can get their cube roots. Okay, so let's see. So cube root of 27 is equal to 3, right? 3 times 3 times 3 is 27. So this is a perfect cube. How about 8m cube? Okay, so let's see, right? That's a perfect cube because 8m cube, if we get its cube root, that's 2m, right? So 2m times 2m times 2m is equal to 8m cube. So what does this mean? It means that this particular binomial follows the pattern of sum of two cubes. So that means that these terms are perfect cubes and they're added up. So what we can do is we can factor them using this pattern. Wherein if these are x cubed and y cubed, so if these takes the place of x cubed and this one takes the place of y cubed, this must take the place of x, right? Because it's a cube root of 27 and this is going to take the place of y. So we're just going to rewrite this. To factor this binomial, we need to rewrite this, but we need to substitute x with 3 and y with 2m. So how will that go? So this is how it will work. So the first is x cubed plus y cubed is equal to x plus y times x squared minus xy plus y squared. So let's start here, x plus y. So this becomes, since x is 3 takes the place of x, so this becomes 3 plus 2m, in this case, takes the place of y, so this becomes 3 plus, and then since 3 takes the place of x, so this becomes 3 squared. So let's just put it like that. Then this becomes x times y, so that's 3 times 2m. So they take the place of x and y. Okay? Plus, since 2m takes the place of y, so this becomes 2m squared because y squared. So it should look like that. So now we can process it so that it's cleaner. So that becomes 3 plus 2m. Let's execute these operations. 3 squared is 9 minus 3 times 2m is 6m plus square of 2m is equal to 4m squared. So this is the answer. So that means 27 plus 8m cubed can be factored as 3 plus 2m times 9 minus 6m plus 4m squared.